Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. So let's analyze this problem under Gauss Law, and it's a very simple and straightforward problem. And the question says two charges, Q1 equals 10 and then Q2 equals minus 12 microcoulomb, are within a spherical surface. So they are enclosed by a spherical surface of radius 10 cm, which is not necessary here. What is the total flux through the surface? Now first, we know that this problem, since we're trying to find total flux through a surface that encloses charge, then we should be using or talking of Gauss law, which is the flux is going to be the charge enclosed divided by epsilon naught. Now we have two charges that are enclosed. So the first thing you want to get is the net or the total enclosed charge. So let's find it. So our total enclosed charge is going to be Q1 plus Q2. So what is our Q1? Our Q1 is 10 microcoulomb. Our Q2 is what? Minus 12. So if you solve this, 10 minus 12 is minus 2 microcoulomb, right? Now, so that our charge enclosed is going to be minus 2 times 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Now, for me to find the flux, I'll simply go straight and substitute. So the flux is minus 2 times 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 8.85 times 10 to the power minus 12. So quickly, so I have 2 divided by so I have 2.26 times 10 to the power is 6. So times 10 to the power 5 Newton meter square per coulomb. So this is my answer. This is my answer to the problem. Now our answer is negative actually. So it's negative this. So when you get a negative value for flux, what does it mean? It simply means that the flux is inward. The flux is moving towards inward into the surface, right? That is what it means. I believe this concept is very clear. Do well to subscribe, share with your friends so that they can also benefit. Remember, this is Prime Concepts. Thank you.